Hello, and welcome to the series of our guideline videos. In this video, we are going to discuss various queries by healthcare professionals regarding Prometric CBT exam, specifically for DHA Dubai medical licensing exam, such as: what is Prometric CBT assessment? Dataflow verification or CBT assessment first? Who is exempted from CBT assessment? How to apply for DHA Prometric exam step by step. How much DHA Prometric exam costs? What is DHA exam passing score, duration and number of question asked? How to reschedule or cancel DHA exam? What to bring at Prometric Assessment Center? How to prepare yourself the night before exam? How and when DHA result is announced? This is Dr. Muhammad from Interface Medical Education, and I will try to answer all these questions in detail. So, keep watching this video till the end. I am sure that you will be able to understand many aspects related to Prometric exam registration and other important stuff. Before starting this Prometric registration process, hopefully you have already determined that you are eligible to apply for DHA exam through Sharian self-assessment tool and registered for Dataflow PSV. We have already made detailed guideline videos in this regard. One for automated and manual Sharian self-assessment, and how to create your DHA ID, also called professional ID through this portal. And second video for Dataflow PSV process and related queries. I will suggest you to first watch these two videos. Links are provided in the description. Before starting, I will request you guys to click subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything, and enjoy more of such informative videos in future. And of course, if you like this video, then do not hesitate to hit the like button and send us your valuable comments. Prometric is a global testing service company, having their authorized 8,000 testing centers in more than 180 countries worldwide. It is a leading provider of tech-enabled testing and assessment solutions to many of the world's most recognized medical licensing and certification exams. CBT, which stands for computer-based testing, is managed and conducted by Prometric, authorized by DHA Dubai to evaluate healthcare professionals applying for a license in certain specialties to practice in the Emirate of Dubai. Although there is no restriction to start either process at any stage. For detailed guideline about this question, kindly watch our Dataflow verification process video. You can also find video link in description. Those healthcare professionals who possess valid DHCC, which is Dubai Healthcare City, or DOH Abu Dhabi, or MOHAP, or DHA license holders whose license was cancelled within the last 2 years only, are exempted from taking this CBT assessment. This exemption is also applied on medical licensing exam holders described in DHA exemption policy, defined in Unified Healthcare PQR, which stands for Personal Qualification Requirements. We have provided a link of this important document as description. To apply for DHA Prometric exam, kindly follow our step-by-step guideline. Visit Prometric official website. Click at General Eligibility button. On this General DHA CBT Eligibility ID page, provide the DHA Unique ID or Professional ID which you may have already created from Sharian Assessment Portal. If you have not, then kindly refer to our DHA Sharian video, link is provided in description. Coming back to our process, please select the position you are applying for. In my case, it is General Practice. You can choose yours accordingly. Click at Generate button. This will show your newly generated CBT eligibility ID. To schedule your exam, click at Schedule button now. Confirm and consent this policy note and click Next. On the Schedule Appointment page, enter CBT eligibility ID you just created and enter the first 4 characters of the last name, as appeared on your passport. Click at Submit button. Now click at Next button. On Schedule Appointment page, simply enter the name of your location where you wish to take this exam. Choose your preferred start and end date. The end date calendar will show you only 15 days appointment slots from the start date. Click Next after choosing appropriate dates. This page will be showing you the names of available test centers at your desired location. You can change your location or appointment dates directly from here or through clicking at Previous button. You can search for your required dates at any of your preferred testing center. If available, then choose the timing and click at Next button. Go through to this biometric collection disclosure. Consent it, and click Next button. Complete your profile as per your information on passport. In the region field, you may simply write Asia, but if you are from Europe or from other region, then you should write accordingly. All the fields marked with red asterisk are required. Click Next after filling out this profile. On the appointment verification page, simply verify your provided information. You may also see the required payment to be made in the next step for your exam. Click Next, if satisfied with the Prometric appointment information. Simply provide payment information on this page. Click at Complete Appointment button to complete your Prometric appointment process. Once the payment is successfully made, then you will receive your Prometric assessment appointment letter at your registered email address. You must also carry this appointment letter to the Prometric Center at the exam day. Depending upon the exam categories of physicians, dentists, nurses, midwives, and allied healthcare professionals, and their wide range specialties, the Prometric exam cost ranges from $180 to $300. Kindly visit link in description for complete cost details regarding each medical licensing exam category. Again, it varies according to exam specialties. Depending upon the exam categories of physicians, dentists, nurses, midwives, and allied healthcare professionals, the DHA exam's passing score varies from 45 to 75 passing percentage. Similarly, exam duration varies in between 90 to 165 minutes for different DHA exam categories, whereas number of questions asked varies from 70 to 150 MCQs for different exam categories. For complete details regarding each category's exam passing score, duration, and number of questions asked, kindly visit link in description. If you wish to change your exam date or time, then you must do so by 5th calendar day prior to your exam date appointment using reschedule or cancel option on the website, or by calling your Prometric Center. You will be charged $40 for changes. You will be required to present a valid passport as your identification. The passport should be in English, however, your signature does not have to be in English. Your passport must match the details you have already provided in your DHA and Dataflow applications. You may have already worked very hard to prepare yourself for the test. Now it's time to give yourself a break. Do not indulge in any form of studies now. You have done your best. Make sure to follow our 10 simple guidelines. 1. File all your required documents beforehand, such as original passport, government-approved ID, and Prometric assessment confirmation email. 2. Understand the address of your Prometric test center. 3. Take a healthy dinner and avoid junk food. 4. Sleep early to give yourself a good night's sleep. 5. Wake up early, take shower and take a healthy breakfast. 6. Arrive at the test center at least 30 minutes prior to the scheduled exam time. 7. Carry fever stuff with you. All your personal belongings, like your mobile phone, car keys, and other jewelries will be placed in your assigned locker by the Prometric Center. 8. Listen carefully the guidelines by the Prometric Center representative. 9. Not take unnecessary breaks during the test because the time is running. 10. Receive attendance confirmation letter after finishing your test, and make sure to collect your belongings from assigned locker. Result announcement typically takes 3 to 5 business days. You will be notified for your result at your registered email as well as at your Prometric account. That's all from us. Hopefully this video will be beneficial for you, and will clarify many of your questions related to Prometric exam registration. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day, bye.